Borgit. From the ancient time onward, there was continuous practice and performances of Rag Sangeet in Assam. Hence, Rag Sangeet of Assam possesses an unique character and all of it requires further scientific study. Borgit and other Gits of Onkia Nath are Rag Sangeet of Assam. The historical background of Borgit and its critical illustration is not only attractive but also has diverse curiosities. There are further opportunities to study Borgit and its literary, musical, linguistical, philosophical, spiritual and its other directions. Borgit are the collection of devotional songs written by Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardeva and his disciple Mahapurush Madhavdeva. In 15th-16th century, Shankardeva created and developed Ek Sharan Nam Dharma. In preaching and propagating the religion, Shankardeva and Madhavdeva wrote many numbers of books, poems and dramas. Besides this, both of them penned many numbers of gits of highest order with highest value as well. These gits are known as Borgit. Many more of their followers had written similar songs, but they are not considered as Borgit. Both the gurus never described their gits as Borgit, but subsequent followers, getting the highest respect of these gits and recognize these gits as Borgit. Considering the thought, language, melody, restriction of use and classical characters of these gits, the great scholar Dr. Banikanta Kakoti named them as noble numbers, Kaliram Medhi as great songs, and Devendranath Besbarua as holy songs. The language of Borgit is Brajavali. It is an artificial literary language created by Shankardeva and he introduced it his songs and dramas. It is neither Sanskrit nor spoken language. The language has elements of Assamese, Bhojpuri, Bengali, Maithili, Awadhi and Braja Bhasha also. Borgit are chanted in a very pious way in satras and namghars. Khol and tal are the main instrument of these gits. Borgit are written in pada form of verse. The technique of Borgit follows Prabandha Gana tradition, which are contemporary to Dhrupad and Kirti of Hindustani and Carnataki music. Even though Borgit are sung to spread the message of Lord Vishnu and his delightfulness, yet they are confined of ragas and certain rules in Suddha Prasanga in different times of chanting. It is known from Charit Puthi that Shankardeva wrote Mana Meri Rama Saranehi Lagu, the first ever Borgit in Badarikashram while he was in his first pilgrim. He wrote 240 numbers of Borgit, but one of his disciple Kamala Gayan took them for his memorization and accidentally got burned. Only 34 numbers of gits could be saved. Therefore, Shankardeva felt very sad and out of his grief, he did not write any more Borgit and asked them to write Madhavdeva. Madhavdeva wrote 157 numbers of gits. Therefore, disciple considered total 191 numbers of gits as Borgit. There are total 36 numbers of ragas of Borgit. All these gits are recognized as prayer songs